It won't open, look. And it won't jiggle.
Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today we're doing our Sunday handcuff escape challenge with the ASP Model 200.
It's not a Sunday handcuff escape challenge. You just seem to have made it into a handcuff escape challenge or a handcuff challenge.
It's more of a Sunday challenge. It's just we've been working through all of the cuffs doing Sunday escape challenges.
Which we really need to find something different to do.
Now we need to find more cuffs because we're running out of cuffs.
No, we need to find something different to do.
If anyone has any suggestions for Sunday challenges, comment away.
Yes, please leave a comment down below. I'm getting better at remembering that I don't like you flinging it on my wrists. Oh, these move in different directions. Ooh.
Oh, we've just got these, and neither of us is really faffed with them. I'm just assuming that they're about the same as the Model 100s, and I don't need to practice.
Let's hope it's greatly mistaken.
I'm even let Mr. Deadlock's use the proper ASP key.
How many poles are in this one?
I'm not telling you that.
Is he single? Is he double N? Is he on a triple H?
3, 2, 1, go.
No. Cheer, pumpkin eater.
It's single pole. It's ASP yellow mechanism.
I don't know that. I can't see any colours.
It's just the same as the
Okay.
chained ASPs.
Big whinge bag.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Hang on. You have the key in your hand. Put the key down. 3, 2, 1, go.
Made much difference, did it? God, it's just getting the key back out. Get ready to stop it. That's quick for me. Key goes in nicely on that one. A little bit stiff.
I think they're quite new.
Yeah, the feel and look new. Do. Mr. Deadlock's turn.
Double lock them for me, please.
Done. Let's change the time. Reset. 3, 2, 1, go. Definitely not going to be my time.
Nothing want to do it like that.
Nope. You're definitely not going to make it.
That was actually bang on the same.
Oh, no, it wasn't. I literally stopped it.
It was because you had a slight pause before you pressed the button. And we were pretty much bang on the same.
Liar, puns of fire. You just can't
lying.
accept.
There was you had a slight delay. About that much. I'm calling that a draw.
I won by like a fraction of a second, man.
That was a draw. You pressed the button late. That was a draw.
No, I didn't. How did I press the button late?
You pressed the button slightly late.
No, I didn't.
I was sitting ready to press the button, and you weren't sitting ready to press the button. You had to reach to it.
No, I had my finger on the button when you finished. I literally moved my finger over before you even finished. When you picked up and the double lock came off, my finger was ready to click on.
I'm still calling.
You can call it a draw you want, but it's not, because you lost.
It was a draw.
It's not a draw at all. I literally clicked it as soon as they clicked open.
I looked over.
Lie.
As soon as they popped open, I looked over and I seen 18.
Lie. My finger touched the screen as soon as you opened it.
1880 something.
You're
That's just
such
popped
a
up.
liar. You're a liar.
That was a draw.
You're a liar. You can't
a draw.
accept it. Can't accept it. I beat you by a fraction of a second.
That was a draw.
It was not a draw. It's a fraction of a second to still won.
Right, rematch.
Such a bad
Rematch.
loser. Rematch.
Rematch.
You're playing that one, are you?
Yeah, rematch.
Come on then. Oh, stop that.
Double lock me.
Such a whinge, can't you? Such a sore loser.
I didn't lose. It was a draw.
Sore loser.
It was a draw.
That down on the floor.
Okay. Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it might be it's on this one actually. Okay, that one you beat me on, but that's because you didn't fumble the first time. For the first one, you lost.
It was a draw.
It was not a draw, you lost.
All right then. Beat the 15-18.
God, you're such a sore loser.
So I didn't lose. It was a draw.
You're such a sore loser. Can't accept fraction of a second. Double lock.
Three, two, one, go.
Ah! I could fuffle this one. Nah, I've kerfuffled it.
All right. Put the key down.
Is it key didn't go in? Poor.
Put the key down.
I can't. You put the double lock back on it.
Okay.
Move that out of the way though.
I want everyone to see that I'm pressing the thing at the right time and everything. 3, 2, 1, go.
Turn the key upside down. Ah. I've gone the wrong way. There. Ah, the key's stuck. You didn't even stop it.
Oh, it was slightly. I was looking at the thing. It was slightly faster than your original go.
Because the key got stuck in the hole.
So now it's gone from it was a draw to I won.
No, you didn't. You lost. You lost the bit. No.
You had 3 goes at it.
No. 2 out of 3. Come on.
I've already done mine.
2 out of 3.
Oh, all right, so I've already won though because I've
2
already.
out of 3.
Oh, so
You lost 1. You've won 1. I've lost 1. I've won 1.
all right.
Now
so,
this is the deciding factor.
So basically, I have to beat your just short of 18 seconds to win.
No, you have to beat the. No, because then I'll do it again.
Well, we've done it once where I called it a draw, and you said you won.
It wasn't. It was
Then you done one where I done it in 15 seconds and you went on forever. And then you've just done it in slightly less than 18 seconds, so I've got to beat the slightly less than 18 seconds.
Put that down.
Have the double lock on.
Three, 2, 1, go. No, that's cheating.
You said best of 3.
So best third. I need my third one. I need
had
the
your
third one.
one. You've already
I have
had-
to have a third one. It has to be done. I have to have a third one. I have to have a fair opportunity to win this challenge. So I have to have a fair opportunity. This is only fair. I'm putting it on. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. It's done.
So you're going to try and beat 12.96.
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I mean, even you
Yeah,
said
that's
3,
because-
2, 1, and then that's
Because
it.
you picked that up before.
As you said, 1.
Yeah, I need to reset this anyway. 3, 2, 1, go.
Get the key back out, that's the issue. Out. Oh, that was 11 seconds something. Ah, see?
But that was your fourth go, though.
No, it wasn't. It was my third go. That was
go.
my third go. Because the first one, the second that one, you let me restart it because I broke it and it wasn't working. So you said, I'll let you restart. So that wasn't...
You fumbled it. I'll let you restart.
Precisely. And I'll let you restart the first time because you fumbled that. So don't go there. I beat you 11 seconds. I bet you beat you 12 seconds. So you've ever got to try and beat my 11 seconds on something, but you've totally messed up the time on it. Oh, you admit that you lost in the first
All right.
I'm going to hold it this time so I can get a better view of both the camera and your hands. Reset it. It was like 11 seconds and something. You have to get it bang on under 11.5 seconds, we'll say. Right, when you're ready?
I'm not ready. Not ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Do it again.
Stop again. No, stop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ouch, ouch.
Oh, that was so good. Now I've got to be...
I really think we should just call this a draw.
Okay, genuinely, I'll call it a draw. Even though I won the first time.
Oh, this is a draw.
You just couldn't admit it.
I said in the first
10
place.
seconds, 10.46 seconds is a blooming good time getting out a pair of cuffs. And that's both cuffs as well. Double locked. I think we both did good on that.
Yep.
High five. Anyway.
Deadlock's learned to use a key.
Ah!
Go on, Mrs. D.
Show your face. Not your friend anymore. You're not going to sleep on the sofa.
Next week she learns what colour the sky is.
The sky doesn't have a colour, you poo head.
Blue.
It's a reflection. It doesn't actually have a colour.
I'm looking into this.
Yeah, because you know I'm right. Science.
Alright, everyone comment below. What colour is the sky?
The sky doesn't have a colour. It's a reflection.
Anyway.
It is. That's how rainbows and everything
that was
works.
A draw. So, Mrs. D is still one behind me. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.